Forehead lines, frown lines, worry lines. How and when did I get them? What should I do now? I don't want them. What is the solution? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I am Adria, an yoga instructor, certified nutrition and health coach. This channel is dedicated to people who are looking to change their lifestyle in a natural and healthy way. This video is divided into chapters. Chapter number 1, what are forehead lines? Chapter number 2, what are the causes of forehead lines and wrinkles? Chapter number 3, how to prevent them from occurring. And the last chapter, chapter number 4, and my favorite one, what is the solution for forehead lines, wrinkle problem? Let's start with chapter number 1. What are forehead lines? Forehead lines are horizontal creases or wrinkles that appear on the forehead. These lines typically form a result of combination of natural aging, repetitive facial expressions, and environmental factors and lifestyle factors as well, which we will discuss in details in chapter number 2. With that comes chapter number 2. Causes of forehead lines and wrinkles. Natural aging. As we age, we naturally lose the collagen and elastin proteins that are responsible for keeping the skin firm, smooth, and elastic. Over time, the skin becomes thinner and less resilient, making it more prone to forming wrinkles and fine lines. A gradual decline in the skin's ability to renew itself and the loss of moisture also contributes to the appearance of forehead lines. Repetitive facial expressions. Forehead lines often form from repetitive muscle contractions when we make facial expressions such as raising eyebrows, frowning, or squinting. These movements engage the frontalis muscle, which causes the skin to fold over time. As the skin loses the elasticity, these folds can become permanent wrinkles even when the face is resting. Excessive exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays speeds up the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers in the skin. This process is known as photoaging, can cause premature wrinkles, including forehead lines. The sun also contributes in uneven skin tone and texture, further emphasizing the wrinkles. Decreased skin elasticity. As we get older, body produces less hyaluronic acid, which is responsible for keeping the skin hydrated and plump. This leads to a reduction in the skin's ability to bounce back after being folded, increasing the appearance of lines and wrinkles on the forehead. Environmental factors. Pollutants can cause oxidative stress which can damage the skin's barrier and accelerate the formation of the wrinkles. Prolonged exposure to dry condition weather can dehydrate the skin, making fine lines and wrinkles more visible. Genetics play a significant role in how and when wrinkles, including forehead lines, form. Some people are more predisposed to developing the wrinkles earlier due to their genetic makeup, which affects their skin's thickness, elasticity, and aging process. It can be prevented with your lifestyle changes too, like change in your eating patterns, sleep patterns, exercising, indulging in regular facial yoga or massages. Let's come to lifestyle factors. Smoking reduces blood flow to the skin and depletes the body's levels of collagen, leading to early signs of aging and wrinkles. Chronic stress can lead to frequent frowning or tension in the forehead area, contributing the development of the lines. A diet lacking in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and hydration can lead to premature aging and contribute to the formation of wrinkles. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can dehydrate the skin and accelerate the aging process, making it more noticeable. Sleeping position. Sleeping on your stomach or with your face pressed against the pillow can temporarily crease the skin, which can become permanent over time if the skin loses its elasticity. When the skin is not properly hydrated, it can appear more wrinkled and less plump. Dehydrated skin is less able to bounce back from facial expressions, making lines on the forehead. Chapter number 3. What are the preventive measures? While you can't completely stop the natural aging process, these strategies can help minimize the appearance of forehead lines and delay their development. Sun protection. Sun exposure is one of the primary causes of premature aging and wrinkles, including forehead lines. Use sunscreen. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily. Even on cloudy days, wear hats. Wearing a wide brim hat can provide extra protection for your forehead and face. You can limit sun exposure, avoid prolonged sun exposure, especially during peak hours from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Check out detailed video about sunscreen on my channel where I have mentioned what to look out for when you buy sunscreen, what are the benefits of wearing sunscreen and your day-to-day life, what ingredients to look out for when buying sunscreen. Hydrate your skin, keep the skin hydrated. It's essential for maintaining its elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Use a moisturizer, apply a daily moisturizer that contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to keep the skin plump and you reduce the appearance of fine lines. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated from within helps maintain the skin's moisture levels and improves its resilience. Incorporate anti-aging food, vitamin A, vitamin E. I have a video dedicated totally on anti-aging food that can help you maintain the collagen in your skin, and also antioxidant food that protects against the environmental damage and boosts collagen production, helping to maintain a smooth complexion. Regular gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, allowing a better absorption of skincare products and encouraging cell turnover. I have a video dedicated on dry brushing, which is quite affordable and amazing for exfoliation. Avoid repetitive facial movements. Since forehead lines are often caused by repeated expressions like raising eyebrows or frowning, being mindful of facial movements can help. Minimize frowning. Try to be aware of your facial expressions that lead to forehead lines, like furrowing your brow when stressed or concentrating. Wear sunglasses. Squinting in bright light can cause forehead lines, so wearing sunglasses helps protect your eyes and prevent squinting. Practice good sleep habits. Sleep on your back. Sleep with your face pressed against the pillow can cause creases in your skin, which can contribute to permanent lines over time. So, sleeping on your back helps avoid this. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep supports skin repair and regeneration, which helps maintain youthful skin. Your overall lifestyle significantly impacts skin health. Avoid smoking. Smoking accelerates the breakdown of the collagen and elastin, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, including forehead lines. Also, passive smokers should avoid being a passive smoker because it gives the same result. Limit alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates the skin and impairs its ability to repair itself, leading to more noticeable wrinkles. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins like C, E, and A, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals supports skin health and helps prevent premature aging. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to repeated frowning and tension and in the forehead area. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation methods like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and minimize frowning. Gently massage your forehead can help relax the muscles and reduce tension that contributes to wrinkle formation. Some facial exercises aim to strengthen and tone facial muscles, which may help prevent the deepening of forehead lines. There are some forehead smoothing exercises. Place your hand on your forehead and gently press down as you raise your eyebrows like this. This exercise helps engage and tone the frontalis muscle without deepening the lines. Consistent skincare routine, daily cleansing, keep your skin clean to prevent the buildup of oil and dead skin cells, which can contribute to a dull complexion and emphasize lines. Nighttime routine, use a non-comedogenic oil moisturizer at night before bed. By adopting these habits and treatments, you can effectively reduce the risk of developing forehead lines and maintain your youthful appearance longer. Prevention is most effective when started early, but these strategies can benefit your skin at any age. The natural solution to your problem, forehead massage, can help prevent and reduce the appearance of forehead lines by relaxing the muscles, improving circulation, and promoting skin elasticity. It relaxes the forehead muscles. Forehead lines often form due to the repeated contraction of the frontalis muscle, which is responsible for raising the eyebrows. So over time, this constant movement creates creases in the skin. A gentle massage helps relieve tension. Massaging the forehead can relax the muscles, reducing the frequency and intensity of muscle contraction that cause lines. Smooth out the wrinkles by loosening the tightness in the muscle. A massage can soften the appearance of existing lines and prevent new ones from forming. It improves the blood circulation. Forehead massage increases blood flow to the skin and delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. Promotes skin regeneration. Better circulation enhances the skin's ability to repair itself, which can reduce the visibility of fine lines and improve overall skin tone. Boosts collagen. Increased blood flow can stimulate collagen production, which keeps skin firm and resilient, helping it to delay the formation of wrinkles. Stimulates lymphatic drainage. Massaging the forehead can stimulate the lymphatic system, helping to remove toxins and reduce puffiness. This can reduce inflammation also. Massage helps reduce swelling and puffiness in the forehead, which can accentuate wrinkles. Improve skin health. Clearing toxins from the skin encourages a healthier complexion, which may make wrinkles less noticeable. If you use anti-aging creams, serums, or oil, massaging your forehead can help these products penetrate more deeply into the skin, amplifying their effectiveness, increasing the skin elasticity. Regular massaging the skin stimulates the collagen and elastin fibers, which helps maintain the skin's elasticity. Improved elasticity allows the skin to bounce back more easily after expression or movement, making it less prone to forming permanent lines. Stress often causes people to furrow their brow, frown, or make other expressions and lead to forehead wrinkles. Regular massage can help reduce stress and tension in the forehead area, reducing the habitual movements that lead to wrinkles. Prevents repetitive expression. Relaxed face is less likely to make repetitive expressions that deepen forehead lines over time. So how to perform the forehead massage? Very important, clean your skin, ensure your face is clean, your hands are clean before massaging to avoid pushing dirt into the pores. Apply a serum or oil. Using a small amount of facial oil or serum can reduce friction and make the massage more effective. Use gentle circular motions. Start from the center of your forehead and use your fingertips to massage in circular motion outward toward the temple. For the lines between your eyebrows, often called 11, use gentle upward strokes with your fingers to relax the entire forehead. Finish the massage by gently smoothing the entire forehead with your both hands, moving from center to outward. Perform regularly. Doing forehead massage for a few minutes daily or several times a week can help prevent wrinkles and keep the skin smooth. By relaxing the muscles, improving circulation, and enhancing the skin's elasticity, forehead massage can be an effective way to delay the onset of forehead lines and reduce the appearance of existing ones. Why should we do the massage? My next question is, why should we do the massage? It's a simple, low cost and most non-invasive way to prevent forehead lines and wrinkles, improve circulation, skin texture, and gives you a moment of relaxation. That was it, guys. I thank you all so much for supporting. If you love the video, hit like and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Remember to love yourself every day. Bye.